Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of power tools as we take a closer look at the top 5 Makita cordless drills you can buy right now. Makita is known for its reliable and high-performing tools, but with so many options, choosing the right one can be tough. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional contractor, or just someone looking to add a powerhouse to their toolbox, we've got you covered. Let's break down the pros, cons, and ideal use cases of each drill. As always, you can find links to these products in the description below. Let's get started. In the fourth spot, we have Makita's budget-friendly option, the FD09R1 12-volt Max CXT lithium-ion cordless 3/8-inch driver drill kit. It's priced at just $89.99, making it an excellent choice for those looking to save without sacrificing quality. Despite its compact size, this drill delivers 250 inches of length of max torque and features a variable 2-speed design, 0 to 450 and 0 to 1700 RPM, for versatility across drilling and driving applications. The FD09R1 is compact and lightweight, measuring only 7 inches long and weighing about 4 pounds with the battery included. Its ergonomic design, paired with a rubberized soft grip, makes it comfortable to handle, even during extended use. The 12-volt battery is also designed to slide in rather than clip, allowing the drill to stand upright on its own, a convenient feature for quick storage during projects. This kit includes 2 12-volt batteries, a charger, and a tool case, giving you everything you need to get started. While it's not the most powerful option on this list, the FD09R1 is perfect for light-duty tasks such as assembling furniture, drilling into drywall, or small household repairs. It's a great option for beginners or those who need a secondary, lightweight drill for quick jobs. However, if you're tackling heavy-duty tasks, you might want to consider stepping up to an 18-volt model. Coming in at number 3 is the Makita XPH12Z 18V LXT brushless cordless half-inch hammer driver drill. This is a versatile tool designed for both drilling and hammering applications, making it a great choice for professionals and serious DIYers. It offers 530 inches-pounds of max torque, courtesy of its efficient brushless motor, and features a variable 2-speed design, 0 to 500 and 0 to 2000 RPM, alongside a hammer mode with up to 30,000 BPM for masonry work. The build quality is excellent, with Makita's extreme protection technology XPT to guard against dust and water, making it job site ready. It's lightweight at just 3.14 pounds, tool only, and compact at 7.8 inches long, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. However, it's worth noting that this is a bare tool, so you'll need to purchase batteries and a charger separately, which may increase the total cost. This drill is ideal for users who need a tool that can handle a mix of materials, including wood, metal, and even concrete. The brushless motor not only delivers more power, but also ensures a longer lifespan and better energy efficiency. On the downside, the lack of included batteries may deter first-time buyers, but if you already own other Makita 18V tools, this is a solid upgrade. In second place, we have the Makita XFD131 18V LXT brushless cordless 1/2-inch driver drill kit. This drill stands out with its BL brushless motor, which delivers 440 inch lengths of max torque and operates at 2 speeds, 0 to 500 and 0 to 1900 RPM. The electronically controlled motor optimizes battery use, offering up to 50% longer runtime per charge. A big win for professionals who need reliability on the job site. This kit includes everything you need: a 3.0 amp-hour battery, a charger, and a durable tool bag. Weighing in at 7.25 pounds with all components, the drill balances power and portability well. The variable speed trigger and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to use for extended periods, while its build quality ensures durability under tough conditions. The XFD131 is perfect for general contractors and serious DIYers who need a versatile, high-performance drill for a range of tasks. Whether you're driving screws, drilling holes, or working on a construction project, this drill won't let you down. The only downside is its price. It's slightly higher than some competitors, but the performance and included accessories more than justify the cost. Finally, taking the top spot is the Makita CT225SYX 18V LXT Compact Cordless 2-piece combo kit. This premium kit includes a driver drill and an impact driver, making it an excellent all-in-one solution for professionals and power users. The driver drill delivers 480 inch-pounds of torque with 2 speeds, 0 to 600 and 0 to 1,900 RPM, while the impact driver offers a staggering 1,460 inch-pounds of torque, making it perfect for heavy-duty fastening tasks. Both tools are designed for comfort and durability, featuring compact builds and rubberized ergonomic grips. The kit includes 2 1.5Ah batteries, a charger, and a sturdy carrying bag, so you're ready to go right out of the box. At just 3.3 pounds driver drill and 2.8 pounds impact driver, these tools are lightweight yet powerful, reducing fatigue during extended use. This combo kit is the ultimate value for anyone needing both a drill and an impact driver. It's perfect for contractors, builders, and serious DIYers who want versatile tools that won't compromise on performance. While it's the priciest option on this list, the inclusion of 2 high-quality tools and all the necessary accessories makes it a fantastic investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect Makita cordless drill for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.